Want to know how to link your Google account in Kimi? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Kimi 2.5 or the Kimi AI application or the website. So just simply head towards kimi.com and it should open just like this right here. So once you've opened it up, make sure you are logged in as well. So you should be seeing various interfaces, and on the bottom left side you should be seeing something known as your profile. So you can just simply select that, and here you should be seeing settings right here. Just simply select that, and now your profile should open up, or your settings should open up. Just simply select here, your profile should open up, and here on the third party login you should be seeing your current Google. So mine is already signed in by default, so if it's not, you can just simply select link. It should show just like WeChat right here, and you can just simply link your account or scan code and do it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.